This is Dr. Rahul Mishra. I again welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So, till yesterday, I have completed projection of planes, and I have given you some assignment questions. But some of you have messaged me personally that some type of questions you are not able to start with. So that's why I am here, and I want to explain those questions also that are slight that can also be done by the method which I have explained you so far, but there are some other methods. One other method is also there. So in my notes might you have seen that method, that's why you are getting confused. So you can draw that question by the method which I have already explained you, by that method also, and in this method also in which I have drawn. So I will explain you that method also, no problem. Okay, so some one or two questions are there, so I am explaining it, that's why I am preparing this video also. Okay, so let us continue with the video. This is the question actually, this question number 1. See this question number 1. Okay, so what is written here in question number 1? Draw an equilateral triangle of 75 mm. What is the difference I will be telling you? Okay, listen this question carefully. Draw an equilateral triangle of 75 mm side and inscribe a circle in it. There is no problem. You have to draw a triangle and you have to draw an in circle in it. You all know how to draw an in circle. First you have to draw the angle bisector, then get the center of the triangle, and from that center take the radius up to one side of the triangle, one edge of the triangle, and inscribe a circle in it. Okay, I will explain you. Draw the projection of the figure when its plane, see from here, okay, when its plane is vertical and inclined 30 degree to the VP. The inclination of plane is given. Plane is vertical and inclined 30 degree to VP, means this inclination is of plane. Okay, and one of the sides of the triangle is inclined 45 degree to HP. Side of the triangle is inclined 45 degree to HP. So this is the first inclination. Since the plane, if one inclination of plane is given and another inclination of side is given, then the first inclination will be of plane and the second inclination will be of side. That you all know, this you all know. So by listening the question, by seeing the question, it is clear that the first inclination is 30 degree to VP, means below XY line. So you have to draw the object above XY line, and the second inclination is above XY line 45 degree to HP. It is above XY line, so definitely the object will be there only. In both the cases, our conclusion is correct that the object is above XY line. So there are two ways to attempt this question. Okay, one way, first of all, see here the position of the object is not given. In all other questions, like if you read the question number 2, a regular hexagon of 40 mm side has a corner in the HP. This condition is given, a corner in the HP, means you have to take a corner. Now if you have to draw the hexagon above XY line, you will draw like this, then you will get the corner in the XY line. And if you draw the hexagon below, so you have to draw like this, then also you will get this corner here. Okay, corner in the HP. So in when you read the question further, you might came to know that the first inclination is above XY line. So this is not possible. You have to draw the object below. That's why you have drawn like this. By drawing the hexagon like this, you will get the corner, isn't it? If you draw the hexagon like this, you will get the corner when you project. That's why we have drawn like this. So the position is given. Whether you have to draw a corner or you have to draw a side, in all other questions you find the position is given. But in this question, see, the position is not given. It is only given that equilateral triangle 75 mm side, inscribe a circle in it. How? What is the position? Draw the position of the figure when the plane is vertical and inclined 30 degree to VP. Inclined 30 degree to VP. Only the inclination is given 30 degree to VP. Plane is vertical and that plane is inclined 30 degree to VP. So the position is not given, and the side of the triangle inclined 45 degree to HP. So in the last step, you have to make the side inclined 45 degree to HP. Any side, one of the side, it is written one of the side. Any one of the side you can incline. So the position of the triangle is not given. That whether you know that you have to draw the triangle above XY line. But how? You can draw the triangle like this. You can draw the triangle like this. Both the condition are correct. So how you have to draw? It is not given that you have to keep the side, you have to get the corner. If it is given that a side on the VP, then you will draw like this. If it is given a corner in the VP, then you will draw like this. But the condition is not given. So in these types of question, what you have to do? One trick, assume that here the side of the triangle is 45 degree to VP bola inclined. So you draw like this. By drawing the triangle like this, you are getting one side, then you will incline that side. This is one trick. Okay, this is also correct. But in my opinion, what we have to do, which is more correct, see, I am rubbing all this, okay. What we can do, just incline the plane with the first condition which is given, okay. The second condition. So the second condition is given, what it is given? One of the side of the triangle is inclined 45 degree to HP. This is the second inclination, draw it first. This is the clue. You need not have to draw the position, directly draw the view, directly. It is given one of the, just in, why we are doing like this? Because the position of the triangle is not given to us. Only in this type of question you have to do this, since the position is not given. Okay, I have explained already what is the meaning of position. Means this corner or side, what we want. So that position should be given, but it is not given. So in these types of questions, just incline the side. The second condition which is given, draw it first. In the first position, draw the second condition. The second inclination which is given to you, draw that in the first position. Okay, that is the clue. That's it. So it is given the side is inclined 45 degree to HP, draw it here, 45 degree to HP. So now draw the XY line, draw 45 degree inclined line. In this inclined line, mark the 2 points of the triangle 75 mm. From here cut an arc 75 mm, from here cut an arc of 75 mm, you will get the triangle. Now draw the angle bisector. Just take one arc in rectangle, put it here, rectangle, put the, in your rounder, put the center over here, cut an arc. From this point cut an arc, from this point cut that much arc, which you have measured this arc. So this will one line, similar do like this from here, you will get this. So by this you get the center. From this center, take this as a radius and draw a circle inside it. And from this circle, these two lines are already divided. You just draw one vertical line. Okay, you just draw one vertical line. So this you will get divided in equal number of parts, or one horizontal line also. So these are equal number of parts. Name this, since it is above XY line, A dash, B dash, C dash, and name the circle as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, likewise. Now project all these points. Okay, now it is simple. Now you all know. You will get this line. Name it as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Now put this line inclined, since plane is inclined 30 degree to VP. Draw 30 degree inclined line. Draw this plane over here. Project it vertically and project it horizontally. You will get a triangle and an ellipse inside it. See this diagram. I am zooming it. It will be clear to you. Okay. First of all, draw the inclination of side. That is second inclination. Draw it in the first position. That is the only clue. Else all procedure is same. Okay. Now similar type of question is here also. Draw the pentagon. Projection of a regular pentagon of 40 mm side having its surface inclined. Surface means plane, inclined 30 degree to HP. So the first inclination is given 30 degree to HP, means above XY line. So definitely the object will be below, and a side parallel to HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. Inclined at 60 degree to VP. This is the condition of side, means this is the condition of side, means it is second inclination. So the second inclination is in VP, means below XY line. So the object will be below XY line. Now how I have to put the object? I can draw my pentagon, since I know that I have to draw the pentagon below XY line. So I can draw my pentagon like this, or I can draw my pentagon like this. Both the conditions are correct. If it is given that you have to draw a side on the HP, then like this. If it is given you have to put a corner on the HP, then you have to draw like this. Like in hexagon here written corner on the HP. So likewise, if corner given, then you do draw the pentagon like this. If side is given, then you have to draw the pentagon like this. In all other questions you have done like this. I have already explained it in my previous lecture. But here the condition is not given. So if the condition is not given, one condition is that you assume that the side you have to take, because in the second inclination you have to incline the side. Side is inclined 60 degree to VP. So you take the side like this, then incline that side only. That is also true. You can draw like that in the by the previous method which I have already explained. The 3 diagram will be drawn. But another method, if you have to save your time, since the position is not given, then what you can do, you directly incline the side. The second inclination which is given to you, you draw it in the first position. So what we will do here, similarly likewise, draw a pentagon. Draw a XY line. You have to draw the pentagon here below XY line, and you directly incline it. The inclination is given 60 degree to VP. Draw 60 degree inclined line. Draw a pentagon here like this. Name, since it is below XY line, so dash will be not there. Name A, B, C, D, E. Project it. You will get the plane here. Name at A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. That this plane is inclined at for 30 degree to HP, draw 30 degree, put this plane over here, name at A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, project it vertically, from here project horizontally, you will get another pentagon, slightly compressed. So this is time saving process. Okay, you need not to draw the 3 figures, in only 2 figures you can complete. See, it is drawn over here. Since the position of pentagon is not given directly, you can incline the side inclination, second inclination is given, draw it in the first position. That's it. This is the simple clue. Okay. Similarly, question number 5 also you have to do like this only, and question number 5 only. That's it. No, 5 is also not there. Question number 11. See, question number 11 is also similar type of question. What is written here? A composite plate of negligible thickness is made up of a rectangle 60 by 40 and a semicircle on its longer side. Means here this is the rectangle, this is the longer side, this one and this one. So in any of the one of the side you have to draw a semicircle. Put the center, put your rounder on the center of this line and take this much as radius, this as center, draw a semicircle. Okay, this is your object, a rectangle and a semicircle. This is an object. Okay, nothing to worry. So here it is written that the projection of the longer side is parallel to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP. This is talking about the longer side. The longer side means second inclination. Parallel to HP and inclined at 45 degree to VP. Inclined at 45 degree to VP. Okay, it means this is the second inclination is in VP, means below XY line. So definitely the object will also be below XY line. So you have to draw the object below XY line. It is clear. Okay. And the surface is making an angle 30 degree to HP. Plane ka inclination, the surface means plane. So this is the first inclination. It is given 30 degree to HP, means above XY line. Definitely, if the first inclination is above XY line, the object will be below XY line. Both the conditions are satisfied. It is clear that you have to draw the object below XY line. But now, again, if you have to draw the object below XY line, you can draw like this. You can draw like this also. Both the conditions are correct, isn't it? But your position is not given, that the longest side is on the HP or the shortest side is on the HP. This I might have said, but this is not given in the question. This condition is not given in the question, isn't it? No condition is given. So what you can do, you can draw like this, because in this longest side you are having a semicircle and you have to incline this longer side only 45 degree to VP. So it is better to take this longer side in the HP. This is also correct. You can take like this. Then you have to draw 3 figures. In first figure you are drawing like this. Take this, hai na? You understand na? You are understanding what I am saying? What you have to do? You just have to draw like this. Draw the semicircle, project here, get the plane, incline this plane. What is the inclination? 45 degree to HP. Draw 45 degree inclination of plane, put this plane here, project here. You will get a compressed rectangle with a compressed semicircle. You will get like this. Then this line, you have to incline it 30 degree to VP. Draw your rectangle here and a semicircle here, this figure, and project this. Again project this. You will get another rectangle with a semicircle like this. This is also correct, but here you have to draw the 3 steps. So unnecessary, if position is not given, why we have to draw the position? We can directly complete it in 2 steps. So it is better to draw. That's why I drawn like this. If you want, you draw in 3 steps also. That I have already explained you in my previous lecture. So here what we have to do? See, simple. Since the position is not given, we know what we have to do. We have to just see the inclination of side and draw it in the first diagram, in the first position. So the inclination of side is given 45 degree to VP. Draw a line 45 degree to VP. Put a rectangle here, a semicircle here. Okay? Okay, now semicircle you have to divide. It is very simple. The circle is 360 degree and the semicircle is 180 degree. 180 by, you have to divide it in 4 parts. 180 by 4. Then again, what is? It is a 45 degree angle. Okay, so 45, take 45, 45, 45, 45. You will get these 4 parts. Name it, project it. You will get this plane. Incline this plane 30 degree to 45 degree to HP. This is 45 degree. Inclined it. Put the arc from here to here. Project it vertically. Project it horizontally. You will get a rectangle and a semicircle like this, as it is drawn over here. See, it is clearly mentioned how you have to draw. Okay, very simple. So this type of question, this is just you can complete this question in 2 steps only rather than drawing the 3 steps. Okay, so but you have to draw this type of question only. You have to follow this method if the position is not given. If position is given, then you have to measure this. You have to draw this 3 step only. Okay, So I think now I am clear. So this is how your projection of planes is completed 100%. Now you practice as much as questions you can. I have given all the questions in my previous video. You follow those questions, you practice those questions. You can also take these questions are of NDBUT. So 100% questions of NDBUT are covered in my lecture. Okay. If you want to follow other book, you follow the book of P.S. Gill. In that also several questions are given. You follow those questions also. You can follow those questions also. Okay. So I think this is completed. Thank you all guys. Please, if you find my videos helpful, then please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Thank you.